How to use ChatGPT for middle school. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for middle school education. Here are some suggestions for using ChatGPT with middle school students. 1. Research projects. ChatGPT can be used to help students with research projects. Students can ask ChatGPT questions about a particular topic, and ChatGPT can provide them with relevant information and resources. ChatGPT can also help students generate research questions and develop research strategies. 2. Critical thinking. ChatGPT can be used to develop students' critical thinking skills. Teachers can provide students with a prompt or a question, and students can use ChatGPT to explore different perspectives and viewpoints. ChatGPT can also be used to help students identify biases and evaluate sources of information. 3. Creative writing. ChatGPT can be used to inspire students to write creatively. Teachers can provide students with a writing prompt and ask them to use ChatGPT to generate ideas and inspiration for their writing. ChatGPT can also provide feedback on students' writing and help them improve their writing skills. 4. Language learning. ChatGPT can help middle school students learn and practice their language skills. For example, students can practice their reading and writing skills by engaging in text-based conversations with ChatGPT. Students can also practice their speaking and listening skills by using voice-activated devices such as smart speakers or chatbots that use ChatGPT. 5. Virtual debates. ChatGPT can be used to facilitate virtual debates. Teachers can provide students with a topic, and students can use ChatGPT to research and develop arguments for both sides of the debate. ChatGPT can also be used to help students refine their arguments and rebuttals. Overall, ChatGPT can be a versatile tool for middle school education, and it can be used in a variety of ways to support student learning and engagement. More information and ideas about using chatbots and AI tools like ChatGPT for middle school education, AI and the Future of Education by the Brookings Institution. This report discusses the potential of AI tools like chatbots to transform education, including for personalized learning and assessment. It also highlights some of the ethical and social implications of using AI in education. How to use chatbots in education by EdTech Magazine. This article explores how chatbots can be used in education, including for research projects, critical thinking, and language learning. It also includes case studies of schools and universities that have successfully implemented chatbots. Chatbots and Education. The Future is Here by Chatbot News Daily. This article provides an overview of how chatbots can be used in education, including for virtual debates, creative writing, and personalized feedback. It also includes examples of chatbots that are currently being used in education. Chatbots in Education. The Future is Now by Top Hat. This article discusses the potential of chatbots to enhance student engagement and support learning in middle school and higher education. It also provides examples of chatbots that are currently being used in education.